Please subscribe and do music. Please subscribe and do music. Please subscribe and do music.
Hello friends, in this video let's learn structure wizard method. In previous class we have learned grid method, editor method, and for structure wizard method let's take the example 4 columns 4 beams. So this is the example of a structure wizard method. We are going to do this is space frame structure, means beams and columns having in 3 directions, x, y and z directions. 4 columns and 4 beams, and all the members are 3 meters. This is the side view, or we can say front or side view. It is the top view, and for the members sizes, let the beam size be 0.3 by 0.23 and column size be 0.4, 0.23. Let's give different size for the columns and beams. Initially properties are always assumed. Let's go to new project, space, give the name space frame structure. Next, and we have to choose open structure wizard. Click finish. Structure wizard window will come, where we have different models like truss models, frame models, VBA macro models, truss frame, VBA surface models. If you go to frame models, reverse cylinder, cylindrical tank. Suppose if you want to draw circular tanks, reverse cylinder, and VBA macro model for drawing towers. We can import CAD files, or we can draw surface. Let's choose frame models. In that, let's choose bay frame. To draw 4 columns and 4 beams that can be drawn using bay frames, give the length, width and height. Length 3, height 3, width 3. Number of bays along width, height and width is 1, 1, 1. Total length of this, suppose let's change number of bays along height is equal to 2. Apply. Then it will give 2 levels, ground floor and first floor. So let's change it to 1. Apply. So like that, close as OK. Geometry part is complete. So I'm using the toolbars. So let's go to the next step, property, and before let's see the rendered view. We are not seeing any size for the members. Let's add size, geometry, property, define rectangle, YD and ZD. Add the column measurement and beam measurement, 0.4, 0.23, add 0.3, 0.23, add. Set the 0.4 property using control, select all 4 columns. Assign to selected beams, assign as. Similarly, select 0.3, 0.23 property using control, select all 4 beams. Assign to selected beams, assign as. Now see rendered view. Yes, size has come the members. Let's go to the next step. Supports, general, support, create, fixed, add. Select support to using control, select all board 4 nodes, assign to selected nodes, assign yes. Let's go to the next step, loads. Load and definition, select load case details, add. Let the loading type be none, add, close. Select load case 1, add. Member load, uniform force, W1 is equal to -2, add, close. Select the load using control, select all 4 beams. Assign to selected beams, assign yes. Shift control, shift V to shift the load value. Shift B, shift N, odd numbers. Okay. Let's analyze the structure. Analysis print, perform analysis, print option all, add, close. Main menu, analyze, run analysis, save. Done. After analysis, you can double click beam or column. You can see deflection and shear bending tabs, where you have deflections in X, Y and Z directions, shear bending moment diagram, shear force diagram, shear force bending moment values. Double click beam or column, will have the same results. Okay, let's go to the post processing. Okay, we'll see the same result in the table. Top table is nodal displacement, beam displacement. Using control scroll the mouse, we can see deflection diagram like that. We can okay, control and scroll the mouse. Green color diagram and deflection diagrams, nodal displacements, beam displacements. If you click reaction button, we can see the support reactions at node 1 to at 4 nodes. Using text cursor, we can move the text like that. When you click on beam, forces, axial force, shear force, Fx, Fy, Fz, moments x, y and z direction. When you click graphs button, we have minimum diagram, shear force diagram, axial force diagrams. Which beam you click, that beam diagrams you can see right side. Let's go to modeling, go to the design, concrete, choose the current code IS456. Before going to define parameters, change the input units to millimeter, Newton. Okay. Go to define parameters, grade of concrete FC M20, add. Grade of steel 415, add. Secondary bars grade 415, add. Maximum main bars maximum dia 20, secondary bars maximum dia, minimum main, minimum secondary, add close. So all the parameters you have to assign to the complete structure. Select every parameter, assign to view, assign yes. If you have question mark, do not assign. After assign, the question mark will be removed. If you see some question mark, means not assigned. Like that we can identify. In the loads also. After adding the loads, if question mark is removed, then it is assigned. Still question mark is there, not assigned. Okay, parameters are all assigned. Go to commands, design beam add, design column add, take off, add, close. Design beam command, using control select all 4 beams, assign to select beams, assign yes. Design column command, select design column, using control select all 4 columns, assign to selected beams, assign yes. Take off will assign automatically. Okay. Let's analyze the structure, analysis print, perform analysis print option all, add close, main menu analyze, run analysis, save. Then after analysis, when you double click beam or column, you can see concrete design tab, where you have reinforcement details, done. And double click and see concrete design tab, here we can see the reinforcement, top reinforcement, bottom reinforcement and shear reinforcement. So click any beam, you can see this concrete design tab where you have all these results. See, we are seeing the same design for all the beams because all beams having same length. On all the beams same load is applied. See, for columns 8 main bars is required. Bar size, bar number we can see. Double click any column, you will see for all the column it is showing the same result. Okay. If you go to post processing, we can see the deflection diagram. When we have to click Staad output file and concrete design, here we can see beam number 1, grade of concrete, grade of steel, length of the member, size of the member, cover of the member, top reinforcement, bottom reinforcement area, top how many bars we have to use, bottom how many bars we have to use, shear, what is the shear reinforcement we have to use, what is the stirrup spacing for all the beams, and put the columns on every column, what is the required steel area, and last page we have take off concrete effort, total volume of concrete required, total weight of steel required in the structure.